collection so far. I do have more in this box. Don't look at this. This is not really a Rubik's Cube, but I just put it in there. But we're going to start off with these because I have multiple of each of these cubes. We're going to start off with the balls. The ball cubes I have 3 of these. Whoa. Okay, so number 1 is the meatball. I really like this cube. It's probably my favorite of all of these because it turns pretty well. I don't know really how to solve this anymore. Tommy mixed it up. And this one is my second favorite. It's just like this one, but it glows in the dark. That's why I like it a bit better. Third is this one. It's like the regular cube that you just like pop and stuff. It's cool. I can solve it. Okay. And yeah, those are my balls. Now we're going on to these thingies. I just have these and I got them for Christmas. Like also most of these cubes that you see right now are for Christmas. I love the pattern when it's in checkerboard position. Oh, great. Got that. It looks super cool. I like it. I really do like these cubes because they're like cool and stuff. I have these. These are the, is it the 2x2x1? Yeah, it's the 2x2x1. Yeah. And this one is awesome. It's really easy. They're both really easy. I can always solve both of these. But I have a feeling that this one's a little bit better, easier because this one is see-through. And can't usually like see the stickers that well, but they're both good. This one is definitely my favorite collection. The Mega Minx. I think I like this one a bit better because how it like fits in my hand is really, really good, and it turns pretty well too. Let me solve that thing again. Okay, there. Now we're going to do the thing I have always wanted to do the whole video. Okay, it's the cubes. I have 3 of these just like the balls. And yeah, 2 of these are the same exact cube. So they both turn really well. Like they're both really fast and stuff. Are these the same cube? Yeah, they are. This one is a bit better because I think I like it like when it clicks. When I do 1 turn, it just clicks, and you can't hear it because it's pretty quiet. But if you had this cube, you could probably hear it. Okay, yeah. And we're gonna do 4x4 now. I have 3 of these. These are amazing. I like this one. I love it. Like this is amazing. This is the best of all 4x4s. Okay, I also have this cube. If you guys aren't familiar with this one, it's called the Checker Cube. And it's like a kiddie version of a 4x4. But it is a 4x4, so I counted it. This one is amazing too. I like it. Because like the turning quality is amazing. It's just like any other cube I have. And yeah, that's it. Pile. Okay. So now I have all my 2x2. These are a lot. I'm going to start with the biggest one. Oh. The Perplex Cube. This is a cool cube because it's ginormous. And you're not really even focusing on the cube, you're just focusing on the ball inside of it. Okay, yeah. And this one, and this one. Yeah, pretty much these two are kind of the same, not really. They're different cubes. I like this one better because can do corner twists. Like this, look. Ah! Oh dang, I think I forgot a corner twist. Okay, yeah. I think I forgot how the corner twist. The corner twists are actually pretty hard, so. I'm gonna just do a little solve side. Done. Now I'm gonna I also love this one. This one is like my newest 2x2. I just like it because it like turns well and stuff. This cube is like so light. I just like this. This is also amazing. It's almost exactly like this, and it's from the same exact brand. So, and it's light too. These cubes are the same exact thing. They're just normal 2x2s from the Rubik's brand. Okay. Okay, now I'm gonna do 3x3, I think, yeah. Yeah, this is definitely my favorite 3x3. And plus, this is not just my collection. This is my brother's too. This is my brother's, but we share all of our cubes, so it's good. It's all good. It's like a twisty cube. It looks really cool, so like your camera angle is not wrong or anything. It's just how it looks. It looks amazing. And also, this is actually really easy to pop. So if you want to get this, I'd suggest you be really careful with it. Because I popped this the second I touched hands on it. But I did fix it. I fixed it. Because my brother was really mad at me. Like, okay, yeah. This cube. This is amazing. It's like from the same exact brand as this one. I like it. These are like almost the exact same thing. Yeah. So I like these because like the turning quality is amazing. Like, well, it's the exact same thing as this one. So yeah, I like this one. It just feels super good. I just like it. Yeah, it's really good. I like it. And this one. This is just like the 2x2 in the normal Rubik's brand. It's just a 3x3. It's good because you can do corner twists. Oh, I can do it. Look. Okay. Yeah, you can do corner twists on that cube, but I suggest do not because it could break the cube like it did to my old 2x2. And this is the exact same thing as this or this. We have a lot of these kind of cubes. And
Lindy.
And I think that's it. And this is okay with the one. I know. These are other cubes I have, like the 2x2x3. And this is a 5x5. There's no way that anyone in this entire house can solve it. This is amazing. It's like a fidget spinner Rubik's Cube. And it actually works. I don't really like this cube. It just like flips and stuff, and that's the only thing you can do with it. And I don't really like that one. I love this one. This is just the best cube ever. Like, this cube does not turn the best, but if you turn it in the right direction, if you focus, you can do something like turning it back. The 1x1. The hardest cube in the world. Because you can't possibly solve it because it's always solved. And this cube, yay! Everyone has never been involved. Yeah, this is like a cube that my brother solved once.